Hi there, thanks for clicking. This here is a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE in the black color. It's a one-owner vehicle that was serviced by Toyota dealers. The odometer reading is just under 25,000 kilometers on it. And of course, being a 2017, it comes with the new Toyota Safety Sense. Let's take a look at the interior now. So inside this Corolla, you can see right here on the steering wheels, you do have your volume and track buttons, as well as your Bluetooth buttons here. You can see it does have that lane departure and the dynamic radar cruise safety features. You can see your lane departure there on the display. It does have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You can see the rain sensing wipers there. It does come with heated seats. You've got a USB right at the front, easily accessible. It's got a nice big screen here. It is the home of your audio, your Bluetooth, as well as the home of your backup camera. You can see it is in great shape. And it comes with just over 24,000 kilometers on it. As is the case with most of our Toyota products, there is ample storage room in the back. You know, we call that a 3 hockey bagger. You can see golf clubs, suitcases, whatever you need. It does come with winter mats as well. Hey, North London Toyota here. Thanks for sticking with me. If you'd like to book an appointment to take this or any of our new or pre-owned stock out for a test drive, call or text me here at 226-268-3504. Or come see me at North London Toyota at our new location at the corner of Highbury and Fanshawe Park Road. Don't forget to ask for Troy. Also, make sure you click the subscribe button so you can get notified when any of our new pre-owned stock hits the lot. Thank you so much and happy shopping.